The Ameda Mya Joy Plus is paired with dual HygieniKit milk collection system, featuring the world's only FDA-cleared viral barrier to help protect breast milk, tubing, and pump against potential contaminants like viruses, bacteria, and mold. Mya Joy Plus, electric breast pump and HygieniKit. Before first use, sanitize all the parts of the HygieniKit except adapter cap, tubing adapter, and pump motor. Recommended method for cleaning is boiling for 20 minutes. Boil the flange, milk storage bottle, locking ring, disc, and valves for 20 minutes. Allow parts to fully dry. Do not clean tubing and adapter cap. Only use the diaphragm and valves that come with the Mya Joy Plus pump. To assemble, hold the valve by flat edge and compress lightly. Gently push the valve onto the ring on the bottom of the breast flange. Insert the diaphragm into the top of the flange, then tighten the bottle onto the bottom of the flange. Snap the adapter caps by pressing it onto the top of the flange until you hear a pop. The Mya Joy electric breast pump delivers the ultimate promise of comfort by offering a wide range of settings, mom-friendly features, and flange sizes. Before pumping begins, connect the power adapter and allow to charge for up to 3 hours. Pump can be used while charging or after full charge for ease of mobility. Insert the tubing into the adapter into the right side of the pump. For double pumping, both tubes should be attached. For single pumping, remove one tube from tubing adapter and close one side. Now you are ready to use your breast pump. Ensure proper fit. Center flange on breast to create seal. Press power button to turn on device in stimulation mode. You can adjust the stimulation vacuum level between 1 and 6 to your preferred comfort level. Once your milk starts to flow, press the mode button to switch into expression mode. You can adjust the expression vacuum level between 1 and 12 to your preferred comfort level. When you wish to stop expressing, press the power button, then remove milk collection kit from your breast. After every use, clean parts.